Hello, in this video I will show you how to replace the cabin filter on Nissan Almera Tino. The cabin filter on this car is located behind the glove box, so in order to get access to the cabin filter we need to remove the glove box. The glove box is held by a couple of screws. We need to remove them and it will go. Now that the glove box is removed, we have access to the cabin filter. We need to remove this plastic cap on the cabin filter housing, and we'll see the cabin filter. Here's the cabin filter. Now we can remove the old filter and put in the new. And now we can assemble everything back in the reverse order. Thank you for watching.